Hi guys, today I'm going to show you our multi-V-belt kit for mild hybrid drives, including the special extra belt and Omega tensioner. It is becoming increasingly important to save fuel and protect the environment, and vehicles with a mild hybrid drive system are able to do exactly that. These models usually have a belt-driven starter generator under the hood, such as the 48-volt EcoDrive system from Continental. This achieves fuel savings of around 15% in modern hybrid drive systems, resulting in a reduction in CO2 emissions too. Such technologies have been on the market for a number of years now. So as time goes by, more and more mild hybrid models are coming into the workshop to have a drive belt replaced. To make sure they fully retain their inherent benefits for the environment and climate following replacement of the belt, however, special belts are required. This is because this type of BSG system really pushes the belt to the limit. For one thing, far higher power is transmitted than in a conventional drive system. The generator's output, for instance, increases from about 3 kilowatts to as much as 12 kilowatts. The power flows in both torque directions too, with constant and dynamic load changes between boost mode and energy recuperation. Today I'm going to show you how we make our multi-V-belts fit that they are able to handle all of these challenges. So let's unpack a multi-V-belt kit together. Here you'll also see the Omega tensioner pulley, which plays a vital role in ensuring the belt drive is able to cope with the tough demands of BSG drive systems. Let's get started. Looking at the box from the outside, we can see the model name here. Then we have our QR code for accessing the PIC directly, and we can also see the vehicle application. Now we can open the box and take a closer look at what's inside. First of all, we have an extra belt. We are dealing with a hybrid model here with specific operating requirements, so we have to fit an extra belt. And we also have our Omega tensioner. It's so called because it has the same shape as the Greek letter omega. This tensioner is able to move, allowing us to compensate for the dynamic load changes in both torque directions. There are various functions we can implement here, including recuperation, the boost function and the start function, for example. And finally we have our famous part replacement sticker, which you can fill in easily before applying this transparent film over the top to protect the sticker and prevent smudging. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and post a comment. See you again soon in the workshop.